Here's a 2017 Dodge Journey. This Journey can take you anywhere the road leads, and it can fit anything you need for the ride. It comes with all the amenities you need: multi-speed automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, external memory control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, leather steering wheel, power heated mirrors, voice activation, aluminum wheels, doors and push-button start proximity key, and V6 engine. Every Dodge delivers a signature thrill. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.